Beautiful arrangement, and all this staff is really very cooperative. I just loved it.
Informative, and they are really enjoying it. Thank you.
Thank you.
We had a lot of fun. My kid fell down, that's another thing, but she's having fun.
The place is very nice. Children are loving it, and also the arrangements done by NAS are awesome.
Thank you so much for having us here today.
Oh, thank you so much, Bradley and all the team for arranging this lovely outing.
To see our kids just having a very good time over here, and they are playing like they are just free birds here. Thank you.